Well, hey everybody, and welcome back to Kiki's Kitchen. So tonight we have reinvented our mashed potatoes, which I just made a video I'll be posting soon, and made potato pancakes out of them, and I made those to go with my cod. So here are our pieces of cod, and you can see this would be the skin side. Let's not drop it on the floor, because you know, that's my MO. So what I'm gonna do is I've got my oil heating. It takes no time at all to cook these. So I'm gonna hit them with some kosher salt on what would be the skin side, because that's the side I'm gonna put down first. I'm gonna hit them with a little black pepper. I have in there butter with a little bit of canola oil, heated and ready to receive. I have Old Bay garlic and herb, and I'm going to really season them well. And then on the other side, I'm going to use regular Old Bay. This is so simple and they are so delicious. So in they're going to go. Heat up just a little. They take just moments, truly they do. So now on this side, the side that's facing me, I'm going to do the same thing. Little kosher salt on each piece. A little pepper. And now some Old Bay on this side, regular Old Bay. I'm going to set my timer for 2 minutes. And I'm just going to let them cook away in that butter, bathed in that butter, with a little bit of canola. And I've got them on a medium-high heat. So, I will see you when that goes off. Hang in there. Okay, we are ready to turn them, and I misspoke. I said to you we were going to go 2 minutes, and really you want 3. And I'm going to flip them. And you know, this is a fish spatula, which really makes it easy to delicately get underneath a piece of fish, but it's not great for my Rachel Ray, so I'm being very, very careful. Okay, so now I'm going to set it for another, so this time I'm going to set it for 4 minutes, and then we'll be done, period. That's it, it's finished. So, hang in there. Okay, so here it is, and I'm going to put a little squeeze of lemon down on it. Looks delicious. And I want you to see how nice and flaky that is. Look how moist and delicious that is. It's just wonderful. You should try cod. So we have a nice little salad, our potato pancakes. Good, healthy dinner. I'll see you soon. Bye.